Just a real quick video on cast iron. This is a restored Birmingham Stove and Range cast iron skillet, and this is from about 1967 or 1968. And I restored it using an Avanti attachment stripper from on my drill. Did the outside as well. Put my last name in there too. And the sides and everything, and I have not cooked in this yet. Got this at an antique store last year, and I stripped it on the inside too. You can still see some of the marks. And I'm going to cook in it the first time. You can see the seasoning. I did about 4 or 5 times, so the seasoning's already. This was silver, but anyways, there's a ton of videos out there showing how to do that process, so I won't even bore you. But I just wanted to film my first time cooking it. So I just put this on to warm up. I cooked some bacon in a different pan, and we are going to use bacon grease in that as our fat instead of olive oil or something like that, which is a low burn point, but bacon fat isn't exactly high burn point either. But I'm not going to be scorching these eggs either, so it'll work fine. If I didn't, I would normally use butter, just for the taste. But let's get this heated up and cook some eggs in it the first time, and I don't know how long. At least a year, because I got it from that place about a year ago. Let's see how it does. Yeah, you can see just one little area that pitted from who knows how long ago, right there. That I didn't want to grind out too much, so that's gonna fill in with a patina after many times of seasoning, so that it'll bind to it and make it even smoother than it already is. But this is much smoother than a modern lodge, and this is, like I said, 4 or 5 seasonings. But anyways, let's see how it does. See how it goes. Got this for 35 bucks. An antique store. They did not know that it goes for $99 on eBay. Okay, look at it. Not getting stick there. Turn the oven off. Separate these bad boys. Cook them individually. Maybe just a little right there. Maybe it needs a little bit more cooking time, or cook times under its belt. Oh, a little disappointing. Like I said, maybe it needs a couple more cooks, I'm sure. But I'm still happy with it. Very nice. Well, thanks for watching.